हेलो गाइस, नमिक पॉल को तो हम सब जानते हैं श्रवण मल्होत्रा के नाम से. Today India Forums is going to celebrate your hot cutie pie Namik Paul's birthday. So, are you ready to sing the birthday song with us?
तो थैंक यू इंडिया फोरम्स, थैंक यू आशिमा मैम, थैंक यू सर. सब आप लोग लाए, गिफ्ट लाए और बहुत देर वेट भी करा आप लोगों ने. एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू सेंड स्टफ इन. इट इज़ सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. ऐसा बर्थडे तो आज तक कभी हुआ नहीं. आई डोंट थिंक आई एवर इमेजिन ऑल्सो कि ऐसी बर्थडे होगा. एंड इट्स ऑल थैंक्स टू यू गाइस. आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार भेजा, इतना चीज़ें को तो छोड़िए, आपका बस जो फीलिंग्स है, आपने जो सोच के भेजा कि आपने इतना सोच ही लिया मेरे बारे में, दैट्स इनफ. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं थैंक यू बोल के मेरे मुंह में दर्द हो गया कल से, क्योंकि आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. बट सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू गाइस हैव सेंड मी. बट व्हाट शाइन्स थ्रू इज कि आप जितना प्यार करते हैं. सो प्लीज़ कीप सपोर्टिंग अस, कीप प्लीज लविंग अस एंड कीप वॉचिंग एक दूसरे के वास्ते, बिकॉज this week it's back on track.
Any wish that you want to be fulfilled on this birthday?
No, I think today I'm very happy. I think just getting ek dusre ke vaste was the biggest gift I could have asked for, like especially for myself, for my parents. They're so happy about it, so that's been a huge blessing. But then meeting all of you guys, आप लोगों का प्यार जितना मिला है, तो it's all unexpected. You never think about this. You think कि थोड़ा hopefully you get success someday, but you don't know what it's like, and it is crazy. It is amazing. It makes you feel so good. I've said many times कि मेरे लिए birthday कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन you made it a huge deal. I don't think I'll ever forget this birthday. And रहे तो I mean you can always wish for more, but right now it's just I'm overwhelmed. मैं thank you के अलावा कुछ नहीं बोल सकता.
And now it's time for India Forum's birthday rapid fire. Any destination on your bucket list?
Oh yeah, like the whole world is left. I've only been to America and England and Germany, so there are so many places left to visit. But abhi kaam karna hai, kaam is important. I think travel and everything will come when I sat free for a very long time. I'm not keen on sitting free again. अभी मुझे काम करना है, focus on myself, focus on work. एंड घूमना तो होता रहेगा, बर्थडेज होते रहेंगे, सेलिब्रेशन होते रहेंगे, बस आप लोग मेरे से इंटरेक्ट करते रहिए. आई कुडंट आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स.
Any regret of your life?
Yeah, wasting all those years. I've said this many times कि मैंने जो टाइम वेस्ट किया, तभी मैं बोलता हूँ स्कूल में जो लोग बोलते हैं कि स्कूल इज़ हार्ड, कॉलेज इज़ हार्ड, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट, जस्ट वर्क हार्ड, क्योंकि आप लोग बाद में बहुत रिग्रेट करेंगे. मैं करता हूँ, नॉट बिकॉज I am using my degree right now, but you just want to feel better. So don't leave all these things aside. Don't waste time. Just work hard. It's a cliche, but it's because it's the most true thing in the world. Just work hard and luck will follow. And just keep doing that. And that is my only regret. I wish it worked harder, but अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So from now on, I just want to work as hard as I can.
Dirty fact of your life?
Nothing. I don't want. It's my birthday. I'm not going to reveal dirty facts about my life to you today. No, but nothing. नहीं. मैं बहुत सीधा बच्चा हूँ.
Any lesson that television industry taught you?
From the industry? I'm still learning. There are so many things I'm learning, and good and bad. I'm learning both things, and I want to focus on the good things, because I think if you focus on the negative things, it can turn you very bitter. तो अभी जो मैंने सीखा है, जो अपने co-actors, जो senior actors, सबसे सीखा है, जो day by day, just by working every day, I'm learning. I've learned you keep on learning, and there's no such big lesson. I don't know. अभी तक मेरा ऐसा कुछ, maybe I haven't had time to sit and think about it, but ऐसा कोई distilled lesson नहीं है जो मैं आपको दे सकूँ. But I think just showing up every day and giving it your best is. I think it's working. Touch wood. I hope it's working. I hope you guys are liking it, and that is all I want to do for right now.
Any female friend who is close to you?
Nothing. I don't want. It's my birthday. I'm not going to reveal dirty facts about my life to you today. No, but nothing. नहीं. मैं बहुत सीधा बच्चा हूँ.
Okay, lastly, any female from the industry who is very close to you, means she knows in and out about you?
No, I don't know too many people from the industry as such, like, and especially that closely. Most of the people I know have nothing to do with the industry. They have their own businesses or they're working jobs, and it's not like I have time to go party or mingle with anybody. I don't know how you. Maybe because after you do 2 or 3 shows, you just keep meeting people. But अभी तो एक दूसरे के वास्ते is my life. Everything, every day is basically about it, and I'm not complaining. But no, I don't know any female who's that close to me from the industry.
Namik, your fans have made your birthday like a festival. Countdowns, gifts, birthday posts on social sites. So how are you feeling, and what would you like to say to your crazy loving fans?
for this?
बस मैं और कुछ कह ही नहीं रहा हूँ. मैं कल से जब से गिफ्ट्स का शुरू हुआ है, थैंक यू ही कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स टू से. आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड ऑल ऑफ दिस टू हैपन. आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड टू सेंड एनीथिंग. आप लोग कुछ भी भेज देते, मैं मतलब इट्स लाइक ओवरवेलमिंग, एंड यू गाइस हैव सेंट सो मच, एंड आई एम लॉस्ट. आई डोंट नो हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू दिस. आई नेवर थॉट कि किसी दिन सोच के आप मतलब ऐसे ये दे शो मूवीज़ में लोग ऑस्कर स्पीचेस वीचेस प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, बट दिस इज नॉट समथिंग यू एक्सपेक्ट कि ऐसे इतना सारा लोग ऐसे भेजेंगे एंड दे विल राइट सच स्वीट थिंग्स. एंड I am just like, I don't know, just thank you, like I can keep repeating thank you all day.
India Forums wish Namik a very happy birthday. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chavra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Namik Paul. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe to their YouTube channel.